Hello friends, today we will discuss some dialog boxes. Open vb.net, go to file new project, select one Windows application, give the name whatever you like, enlarge the form so that we will create one editor type of thing. Select file, save file dialog, open file dialog, then select one font dialog, then select one color dialog. First one is save file dialog, open file dialog, font dialog, color dialog. And for all these 4 dialog boxes, take 4 buttons. Command button. First one is save. Name it as save. Second is open. Can take one button. Give it a name. Open. Take third button. For font, we will change the font. And again we will take one button for color. We will take 2 more buttons, one to close the form, and another close, and another to clear, Now we will take one rich text box. This is rich text box. Enlarge this rich text box. In this rich text box we can write. Select the form and make the startup position of this form to center of the screen, and let us see what happens. The form comes and the form will look like this. Now we will do the coding for all these things. First we will code for save file dialog box. We will write this me is optional. You can write me dot save file dialog 1 dot show open, show dialog. This will open the file dialog. Just have a look. Save. We will give a name and save the things, whatever we will write on the rich text box. Now how we will save the file? For this we will write it me dot rich text box 1 dot save file take the help of this me dot save file dialog 1 dot file and we will concatenate the name of the file with .rtf. Have a look for this me dot rich text box 1 dot save file, and in this save file we will give an argument me dot save file dialog 1 dot file name, and we will concatenate the name of the file with extension .rtf, because whatever we write in the rich text box, in this rich text box, it will be saved as .rtf. Let us see. I am writing I am a boy, and we will save this, giving a name PK classes, and we will save this file on the desktop and just save it. Have a look on the desktop. This is PK classes, and just see there is I am a boy written. Now what we will do, we will open the saved file, that is pkclasses.rtf, in this rich text box. We will open the same, and for that what we will do, me dot open file dialog 1 dot show dialog. Again what we will write, rich, take the help of me dot rich text box 1 dot load file, and we will open. Again we will use this open file dialog 1 dot file name, and that's all. The file will be opened. Let us see. Open the file. Name of the file is pkclasses.rtf. Desktop pkclasses.rtf. This is the PK classes rich text format, and we will open and look at this I am a boy. Now what we have done, we have saved the file and we have opened the file. Now we will clear this text box. We will also change the font and the color and close this form. For this, there is one font button, and what we will do here, again write me dot font dialog 1 font dialog 1 dot show dialog and rich text box 1 dot font is equal to font dialog 1 dot font. That's all. Just have a look. Again I am writing I am a boy. Go to font. System is slow. We will select one font, size 26, okay, and have a look. The font has been changed, the size has been changed. You can again select a font and change a font. Okay, and the font has been changed. Now we will change the color, and for that what we will do, me dot color dialog 1 dot show dialog and rich text box 1 dot color color dialog 1 dot color rich text box 1 dot 4 color. How we will change the color of this font? Just have a look. We will select color dialog 1 dot show dialog, rich text box 1 dot 4 color is equal to color dialog 1 dot color. Have a look. I am a boy. Select a font. Color. See the color. Now what we will do, we will close and clear this text box. Rich text box 1 dot text is equal to clear, and for this close button, me dot close. Open desktop PK classes. PK class is open. Now what we will do, we will select a font. We will change the color. We will clear the rich text box and close.